Welcome to the evolution of a beautiful dream, where one thing has led to another across a long period of time. In my 90-minute presentation of this unique structure on Saturday, the 27th of September, I'll be telling you how this installation piece evolved from a series of 2D sacred geometrical photocollage art pictures that you see here behind me, into its next iteration in model form. But it doesn't stop there, because this is also a conscious working device. Come on this journey with me to discover what this means. This unique installation that I've named the Magician's Jewel due to its correlation with the Philosopher's Stone, that of mystics and alchemists throughout the ages, is also containing a number of other very deep and very interesting subjects that I invite you to discover with me. And then in my workshop on Monday the 29th of September, I'll be inviting you to join me for an actual virtual expedition through the stunning 3D design of this structure, when we'll enter its inner chambers, climb up its 13-layer spiral to discover how it's been built with ancient knowledge of sacred design, harmonized by the modern tradition of biogeometry, and held together by the extraordinary description of the process of existence according to the Tibetan Book of the Dead that this structure describes in its entirety. This is one of the most sacred texts of the entire Tibetan Buddhist canon. I shall be honored to host you on this adventure.